Software subscriptions add up fast. Microsoft Office, Canva Pro, Zapier, GitHub Copilot, stock photo subscriptions, video editing software. For individuals, freelancers, and small teams, the combined monthly cost of these tools can run into hundreds of dollars. In 2026, Google has a free alternative for almost every one of them, and most people do not know these tools exist. In this video, we are going through exactly which Google tools replace which expensive apps, and what each one can actually do. Let's get into it. Google Workspace replaces Microsoft Office. The most obvious replacement first. Google Workspace, meaning Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Gmail, replaces Microsoft Office 365 for the vast majority of everyday use cases at no cost. Google Docs handles word processing with real-time collaboration built in. Google Sheets handles spreadsheets including formulas, pivot tables, and data visualization. Google Slides handles presentations. Gmail handles email. All of them are free with a Google account and accessible from any browser on any device. In 2026, the Gemini integration across Workspace makes the free tier significantly more competitive with the paid Microsoft suite. Gemini drafts emails in Gmail, generates presentation outlines and slides, auto-generates formulas and sheets from plain language descriptions, and summarizes documents in Docs. The functionality that previously required a Microsoft 365 Copilot subscription, which runs $25 to $30 per user per month, is available in Google Workspace for free. Notebook LM replaces paid research tools. Notebook LM is Google's free AI research assistant, and it is one of the most underrated tools in the entire Google ecosystem. Upload any combination of PDFs, Google Docs, websites, or YouTube links, and Notebook LM creates an interactive knowledge base from your sources. You can ask questions and get answers that are grounded specifically in the documents you uploaded, rather than general internet knowledge. Every answer comes with source citations pointing to the exact passage it drew from. The audio overview feature is where Notebook LM becomes genuinely distinctive. It generates a conversational podcast-style audio summary of your uploaded documents with 2 AI voices discussing the key points. For anyone who prefers listening to reading, this turns any research document into something you can absorb on a commute. This replaces paid research summary tools and AI document assistants that charge monthly subscription fees for similar functionality. Google Pomeli and Gemini Canvas replace Canva Pro. For social media content creation and visual design, 2 Google tools now cover much of what Canva Pro and Adobe Express charge for. Google Pomeli generates on-brand social media posts and marketing content by taking a website URL as input and automatically extracting the brand's colors, tone, and messaging to create ready-to-use content. For small businesses and content creators who need consistent social media output without a design background, this removes both the cost and the time investment of manual design. Gemini Canvas is a visual workspace within the Google ecosystem for creating diagrams, layouts, and presentation structures through a combination of prompting and direct editing. It handles the kind of visual thinking and layout work that previously required Canva Pro or a paid design tool. Veo 3 and image generation replace stock subscriptions. Paid stock photo subscriptions and video production tools are 2 of the most common recurring software costs for content creators, marketers, and small businesses. Google's AI generation tools now cover both at no cost. Veo 3 is Google's video generation model that creates cinematic quality video clips from text prompts. Describe a scene in plain English, and Veo generates a short video clip that can be used for marketing content, social media, explainer videos, or presentations without the cost of stock footage subscriptions or video production. For still images, Google's image generation tools, including ImageFX, produce photorealistic images from text descriptions, replacing the need for stock photo subscriptions for the majority of standard commercial imagery needs. Google Opal replaces Zapier. Zapier is one of the most popular automation tools for connecting apps and automating workflows. It charges based on the number of automated tasks run per month, and costs grow quickly for active users. Google Opal is the free alternative. Google Opal is a no-code automation builder that connects Google Apps and external services using a visual workflow editor. You describe what you want to automate in plain language, or build it visually, and Opal creates the automation. A common example is automatically saving Gmail attachments to a specific Google Drive folder, or creating a Google Calendar event whenever a new row is added to a Google Sheet. For small teams and individuals whose automation needs live primarily within the Google ecosystem, Opal covers the majority of Zapier use cases without the monthly cost. Gemini Code Assist replaces GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is the most widely used AI coding assistant, and it charges a monthly subscription fee. Gemini Code Assist is Google's free alternative with comparable core functionality. Gemini Code Assist integrates directly into popular code editors, including Visual Studio Code and JetBrains IDEs. It provides real-time code completion suggestions as you type, generates full functions from comments or plain language descriptions, explains what existing code does, and helps debug errors by identifying problems and suggesting fixes. For students learning to code, freelance developers, and anyone who writes code occasionally rather than professionally, Gemini Code Assist provides the AI pair programming experience of Copilot at no cost. Google Stitch and Build by AI Studio replace no-code app builders. No-code app builders like Lovable and Bubble charge monthly subscriptions to let non-technical users build web applications. Google Stitch and Build by AI Studio offer similar capability for free. Google Stitch lets you describe a web application in plain English and generates a functional app design with screens, navigation, and component layouts that you can then develop further. It is designed for the early design and prototyping phase of app development, where having a visual starting point dramatically speeds up the process. Build by AI Studio goes further by generating working application code from natural language descriptions. You describe what the app should do, and it produces functional code that can be deployed. For non-technical users who want to create simple web tools, dashboards, or internal utilities, this removes the need for either a paid no-code platform or a developer. Gemini Deep Research replaces ChatGPT Plus. One of the primary reasons people pay for ChatGPT Plus is access to deep research and web browsing capabilities. Gemini Deep Research provides equivalent functionality on the free tier. Gemini Deep Research actively browses the web, pulls information from multiple sources, synthesizes the findings, and produces a structured research report on any topic you specify. It shows its research process transparently, listing the sources it consulted and how it arrived at its conclusions. For market research, competitive analysis, academic topic exploration, or any research task that would otherwise require hours of manual reading and note-taking, Deep Research condenses that process significantly. The free availability of this feature in Gemini removes one of the main cost justifications for a ChatGPT Plus subscription for users whose primary use case is research. The full replacement map. Here is the complete picture of what Google replaces and what it saves you. Microsoft Office 365 at around $10 per user per month is replaced by Google Workspace free tier. Canva Pro at around $15 per month is replaced by Google Pomeli and Gemini Canvas. Zapier's paid tiers starting at around $20 per month are replaced by Google Opal. Midjourney at around $10 per month is replaced by ImageFX and Nano Banana. GitHub Copilot at around $10 per month is replaced by Gemini Code Assist. Lovable and Bubble, starting at around $25 per month, are replaced by Google Stitch and Build by AI Studio. ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month is replaced by Gemini Deep Research on the free tier. For an individual or small team using all of these paid tools, switching to the Google free equivalents represents a saving of over $100 per month. The Google free ecosystem in 2026 is more complete than it has ever been. For individuals, freelancers, students, and small teams, the combination of Workspace, Notebook LM, Gemini, Opal, and the creative AI tools covers almost every major software category without a subscription. If this helped, drop a comment below and let us know which paid tool you are thinking about replacing first. And for more free tool guides and productivity breakdowns like this one, make sure you subscribe. We will see you in the next one.